Hey everyone, this is John, that's Fabian, and I'm going to show you the lockpick. As you can tell, it's locked. Alright, so what I'm about to do is pick it with the lockpick kit. Give me one moment. Okay, here we go. Hold on. I want to see if there's a whack in this. It could probably fit right here, but like.
Did James get a charger or is it USB related?
Fuck it, why not? No, he doesn't have the charger.
Oh,
Man, I gotta find a way to hold this thingy. Alright, let's see. Try this little hole. Oh, screw it. Go 1 minute. Here's what I'm about to do. Come on, lock piece in. As it's locked, watch. It's impossible with one hand, but I'm gonna try it. Oh wait, I think I got a better idea.
It's on small cigarettes.
Shut up, fool. Hold up.
All late.
Look at some video. Ta-da! And from this point of view, Fabian, can you hold this? As you can tell, you see it all? At the face, fucker.
Oh, I didn't get you.
And that is the lockpick. I can show you some links where you can get one, but fuck it.